You only get one life, and it's a short one. How's yours going? In this modern, busy world, too many of us go through life taking it as it comes. We don't have a life recipe that guides us. Now, you may feel like you have no choice in the matter, but this is simply not true. If you cook, you know the importance of recipes. And even if you don't cook, you understand that if a recipe is not followed properly, your favorite dish isn't going to be as good as it can be. The same is true with life. Science tells us that you dramatically improve your odds of realizing your goals and desires if you have a game plan. When you live life by design, acting purposely and with intent according to your values and your designated life goals, you really can live your greatest life. In 1979, Harvard Business School began a study on goal achievement, where MBA graduates were asked if they had designed a roadmap for goal achievement by writing down their goals and creating a plan for attaining them. Just 3% of the graduating class wrote down their financial goals, along with a plan to achieve those goals. 13% of the class had written goals, but without an action plan to achieve them, and the remaining 84% of the class had set no specific financial goals or plans. Fast forward to 1989. The study subjects were contacted and revealed their progress in life. The 13% of the class which had written goals but not developed a game plan for achieving them were making twice as much money as the 84% group, which had no identifiable goals in mind. More importantly, the 3% of graduates who wrote down their goals and designed a game plan were making a staggering 1,000% more money than the 84% group, and 500% more than the 13% segment. This shows the incredible power of living by design. Now, you may be wondering how life design really works, and possibly you've set goals before and haven't achieved them. Perhaps you're wondering what you did wrong, and how do you know if the values you're pursuing are uniquely yours? These and other questions are asked every day by you and others just like you. The good news is that if you have the right information in your hands, you can design your greatest life. Let our special report be your guide. In this report on the power of life design, you'll discover the Magic Wand exercise that identifies those things you truly value and desire above all others, why you should be proactive rather than reactive for a fulfilling and happy life, how perseverance and failure work hand in hand to guide a purpose-driven life, the many benefits of living a life of intent, how to identify your true purpose and life goals, the 6 key elements of a solid life strategy, why writing down your goals leads to a better chance of achieving them, the 8 crucial areas of your life which can benefit greatly when you live by design, a simple way to determine and define your values so you can act upon them with intent and purpose, 104 examples of life goals to guide you in planning yours, 38 life design questions to lead you in the direction you want your life to take, and much more. If you climb into your car and begin driving, you'll eventually end up somewhere. You might stop at different places along the way. You may or may not enjoy the journey or the destination. Intent, purpose, and direction are needed so that you can go where you want to go. In life, there are so many roads to take. A game plan and a roadmap are required so you can end up exactly where you want to go. And this is why you should design your life. This is why you should identify your life goals. This is why a life well planned and governed by your values, lived with purpose and intent, is the only life worth living. Don't live another unguided minute. Let our report be your guide. It's up to you to act. Detailed information that you can use starting today. Get your copy today.